welcome back. This is our last section in directed numbers in our integers unit, and today we're going to be talking about subtraction of integers on a number line. Again, just like addition of integers on a number line, we can use the number line to subtract our integers, which essentially means finding the difference, right? Subtraction is finding the difference between two numbers. So anytime you are reading in the textbook or any problem that's given to you, if it says find the difference between these two numbers, it is always going to be a subtraction equation. So remember that an arrow going to the left represents a negative integer, and an arrow going to the right represents a positive integer. So if we start with this one here, this 2 is a positive 2. So if we're going to do it like we do in the book, we would start at 0 and go to the right, a positive 2. Then we're taking away a negative 1, but because we're taking away negatives, that means we are continuing in this direction, right? Because we're becoming more positive. So 2 minus a negative 1 means we're taking away from the negative side, which means our arrow has to go this way. So we would add another 1 right there for an answer of +3. So keeping that in mind, this statement really only applies to this first number. Okay, so again, a positive 2 would be going this way. Taking away 4 negatives, though, means we're going away from this positive end, so we would go back this way, 4 spots. So our answer for this one would be a negative 2. Okay? So again, remembering that we can do this also with our dots if you don't want to do the arrows, right? So we start at 2, we take away a negative 1, so when we're taking away negatives, we're going to go this way, 1 space, to a positive 3. If we start at 2 and we're taking away positives, we're going to go this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, for a negative 2. So remember that if you're removing negatives, your arrow is going to go this way. If you're removing positives, you're going to go this way on the number line. So let's do another one. So if we have a positive 3 minus a positive 2. So we're going to start at our positive 3 right here. We're taking away positives, which means we have to go towards the negative side. 1, 2. So our answer is a positive 1. If we had a negative 4 minus a negative 3. Again, we're starting at negative 4 down here. We're taking away negatives, which means we go this way. 3, 1, 2, 3. Our answer is negative 1. If we started at a positive 2 and took away a negative 1, so again, starting at a positive 2 here, taking away negatives means we're going this way. 1 spot would give you a positive 3. All right? So the biggest key to remember is what direction do you move on the number line. And the easiest way to remember that is to say, what am I taking away? So if you're taking away positives, that means you have to go to the negative side. If you're taking away negatives, you're moving to the positive side. Because taking away positives is going to make you more negative. Okay? If you're taking away negatives, you're going to become more. And remembering that if you're taking away negatives, you're becoming more positive. Okay, we will do some more of this in class, and I'll see you next time.